The Treedix cable tester board offers a comprehensive and efficient solution for diagnosing HDMI cable issues. Equipped with 20 LED light indicators, it is specifically designed to test standard HDMI Type A, mini HDMI Type C, and Micro HDMI Type D connections. This device aids in identifying cable faults such as disorder, short, open, and cross connections, providing clear and actionable feedback via its LED interface. Its intuitive design simplifies usage for both professionals and hobbyists, seeking to ensure optimal cable performance. With its robust build quality and versatile application, this tester is a valuable tool for maintaining effortless and error-free HDMI connections in various multimedia setups.